I'm in my kitchen again today to talk about a junk drawer. This is another segment of Prioritize Organizing. We're going to offer in this series organizing tasks that you can do in about 5 minutes that will keep and maintain the organization in your home. So let's talk about a junk drawer. First, we don't call it a junk drawer in our house. Label it. If you call it a junk drawer, you're going to put junk in it. Now, mine is pretty junky because I haven't organized it yet. But this is the one drawer in the house that we kind of drop things. But we call it a keys and pen drawer. And that way we know that that's where the keys and the office supplies live. My next suggestion is to have little containers. You see these little white containers. They come in different sizes. You can get them at a big box store or from Amazon, but they help you categorize what you want to put in this drawer. So you can have a purpose for each small container. The smallest of the containers we have for each of us to put our keys in. My husband has a section where he puts his wallet and anything that might be in his pockets when he gets home. But then the further back in the drawer is where we keep a lot of our office supplies. You'll see glue and pens and erasers, and we also have a section where our scissors and tape kind of land. But this way, everyone in the house knows where these things belong, and they also know where to go looking for them when they want something. You can stay more organized in 5-minute increments in your home by following these prioritized organizing tasks.